Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchases without having to read a gazillion reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. Those buzzing little gadgets that make you feel like a pilot without leaving your couch. On the left, we've got the Bwine F7, and on the right, the Holystone HS360S. Let's see which one of these flying marvels deserves your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bwine F7 comes in at a cool $258. Meanwhile, the Holystone HS360S is a bit gentler on your wallet at $209. So if you're looking to save some bucks for your next pizza night, Holystone has you covered. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Next, let's zoom in on the camera quality. Pun intended. The Bwine F7 boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and 5 GHz FPV transmission. That's like having a mini Spielberg in your backpack. On the other side, the Holystone HS360S also sports a 4K UHD camera, but with a Galaxy Core sensor. Sounds fancy, right? But the real kicker is the Holystone's 85 degrees wide-angle lens. So if you're into capturing the whole picnic spread, Holystone might just be your new best friend. Reviewers have praised both drones for their camera quality, but some find the Bwine's footage a bit shaky while Holystone's images are lauded for their detail and stability. Now let's talk flight modes and functions. The Bwine F7 comes with GPS and optical flow modes, waypoint flying, orbiting, and even a follow me feature. It's like having a personal drone butler. On the flip side, the Holystone HS360S isn't slacking either. It offers spiral up, catapult, and one-tap ascension modes. Sounds like a drone that's been watching too many action movies. Plus, it has follow me, waypoint flight, and point of interest modes. Both drones are loaded with features, but Holystone takes the cake for creativity. Reviewers have specifically mentioned enjoying the unique flight modes on the Holystone, making it a fun gadget to have. Safety first, folks. Both drones come with solid GPS functions. The Bwine F7 will return home when the battery is low, or if it loses connection. It's like that loyal dog that always finds its way back. The Holystone HS360S offers similar GPS features, ensuring your drone won't end up as an expensive tree ornament. Reviewers have noted that both drones are reliable in their GPS and return home functions, making them both safe options for your flying adventures. So in the safety department, it's a tie. Both drones have your back, or should I say, your sky. For all you newbies out there, let's see which drone is more beginner-friendly. The Bwine F7 is drop-resistant and comes set to beginner mode, making it perfect for those "oops, I crashed it again" moments. It also has tutorial videos on YouTube, so you can learn from the pros, or at least from people who pretend to be pros. The Holystone HS360S also has a beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help you get the hang of things. Plus, Holystone keeps upgrading its app, so you'll be flying like a pro in no time. Reviewers have appreciated the Bwine's tutorials and the Holystone's user-friendly interface, but Bwine's extra tutorials give it a slight edge here. Last but not least, let's talk battery life. The Bwine F7 comes with 2 batteries, giving you up to 60 minutes of flight time. That's enough to film an entire episode of Drone Adventures. On the other hand, the Holystone HS360S gives you 20 minutes of flight per charge. So if you're planning a long aerial adventure, Bwine F7 has got you covered. Reviewers have praised the Bwine F7 for its extended battery life, making it a preferred choice for longer flights. Summing up the overall performance based on reviews, both drones have received positive feedback for their features and user experience. The Bwine F7 is praised for its performance and value, especially for beginners, though some users note limited range and communication glitches. On the other hand, the Holystone HS360S is appreciated for its stability, ease of use, and value, making it a great starting point for new drone enthusiasts. While Bwine excels in battery life and beginner support, Holystone wins in creative flight modes and budget friendliness. Based on the reviews, both the Bwine F7 and Holystone HS360S are highly regarded in their own right. Bwine F7 is noted for its detailed camera, comprehensive flight modes, and long battery life, making it a valuable option for extended use. Holystone HS360S, on the other hand, is highlighted for its stability, creative flight modes, and budget-friendly price, making it a fun and accessible choice for beginners. So there you have it, folks. Both the Bwine F7 and the Holystone HS360S are fantastic drones with their own unique perks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with creative flight modes, Holystone is your guy. But if you want longer flight time and extra beginner help, Bwine F7 is the way to go. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. And remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!